I'm looking at the Ninja Foodi mini multi-cooker. I shall open it up, unpack it all, and have a read through the instructions. Clean it before setting it up, and then we'll give it a try out. Let's see, instructions. Lid. It's got a fair weight to it. Let's just get the box out of the way. Some packing in there. As I say, I shall set it all up and then give it a try out and see how it goes. Right, so I'm having to go at cooking a chicken and following the instructions. I've got the chicken, I've cut the chicken in half, I've got the chicken inside. Let's turn it on and put the seal to low, set the timer. Where are we? Assemble the head. Select pressure. Set to low. Set the timer to 20 minutes. There we are. Select start to begin. Okay, that's starting the first bit of the process, and I shall come back and I shall be setting it. Then you brush the chicken with olive oil or spray, and then I've got to set it to air crisp for 10 minutes, and then we'll have a look at it. Right, I put it on to crisp. I covered it with olive oil, or brushed it with olive oil rather. It's just coming down to the last 20 seconds, so once that stops I shall have a look at it. On air crisp, as you see. The settings are fairly simple to use, straightforward. There we go, that's ended. Good. Can have a look. There we are. Looks pretty good. I presume this all comes out, lifts out to clean out. Right, let's have a cut of this. Let's check it's cooked properly. Yeah, it's cooked fine. Yeah. Another one. Perfect. I shall come back with my review.